You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, originally from Spanish. How do you say I am? If you want to speak Spanish and learn more, stay tuned. I've got many more videos that are linked to at the end of the video. Yo meaning I, soy meaning am, yo soy. If you want to say I am beautiful, for example, yo soy guapo, guapo or guapa. If you're a girl, yo soy guapo, yo soy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.